Hello guys, welcome. My name is Samuel Daniel from Vivus Academy. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you on BSC scan. BSC means Binance Smart Chain. Now, bscscan.com. I'm going to head on to bscscan.com. Yeah, as you can see on your screen. And this is it. So what is BSC scan for? BSC scan is a platform, an analytics platform that houses or contains all the tokens, all the coins that is runs on the Binance Smart Chain network. Do you understand? So it has all the coins and tokens that have their base on the Binance Smart Chain network. So it gives all the details. Or as you know, cryptocurrency, it's decentralized. So all the transactions carried out, everything is open on the air, like on the internet, easily accessible to anybody from any part of the world. So you can see a transaction that somebody in Europe carries out right now. You can see you can see the time he maybe made a purchase. Maybe he bought BTC, that's Bitcoin. At a point in time, you can see the Bitcoin he bought, the amount of Bitcoin he bought, the price at which he bought at, the time, the exact time he bought that coin. You can see everything like that, but you can't see where he is located. You can't see who that person is except you look at the contract address, except through the contract address. That's the closest you can get to knowing the person, contract address. But then you can't know their names, you can't know the exact location they are at, you can't know anything. You just see details of transactions. All right. As you can see here, just on the home page here, you have this this search area where you can search for address. You can search by address, TX, that's transaction hash, block, or token, and then you see more details about bscscan.com here. And then down here is showing the latest transactions made on BSC scan, and as you can see, it gets updated by the minutes. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it gets it changed again, so it gets updated every minute. Yeah, so once again, BSC Smart Chain Explorer, that's this page, BSC scan. It contains all the tokens, all the coins that run on the Binance Smart Chain network. So you can see all the details about the coins. Now let's search for BTC. And one thing is, sometimes you may not know the name of a coin. Like say you want to search for FEG, but you don't know the contract address. A lot of times people search with contract address, yeah, especially for coins that are very new, like these shit coins, meme coins, the dog coins, you know what I'm saying. So you may not know the contract address. So here you can easily search for the name FEG, so you can get the contract address. But here you can see multiple FEG. Here there's FEG token, and then there's another FEG token again with the same FEG. So you have to be very careful. Oh, look at the website here. The website for this is fegtoken.com, while the website for this is nswap.com. Now you see that they are actually different, and this is most likely the right one. Let's see. Let's open it up. So I opened up the first one, the one with fegtoken.com. Now look at the total supply. I think this is 100 billion or trillion, 1,000 million. Oh, okay, I don't know. This is so high. And then you can see the price. The price has reduced minus 14% in the last 24 hours. And this is the market cap for the coin right now. The market cap is 1 billion market cap. That's for FEG. Yeah, if I'm right with that. And then this is total supply. This is the number of holders. This is the number of people currently holding this coin. By holders, we mean people that have bought FEG and have it in their wallet right now. Like at this point in time, this is the number. Let me refresh this page and see if it will change. This is 414228, right? Let's see if anybody buys this next instant. Okay, it's still the same. So these are all the orders for FEG at this point. So this is all the transfers that have been made with FEG. 1,233,184 transfers. Now, profile summary. You can find the contract address here. To copy, you just tap on this, copy symbol here, and then it's copied. Then you can go paste anywhere, say on your Trust wallet. You can go paste either here if you want to add it to Trust wallet. Oh, okay, not here, sorry. Here. Where is this guy? Okay, here. So you can tap there and paste if you want to add it to your Trust wallet. See fake token, Binance Smart Chain. I turn it on and open it up. So let's see if this is the right one, because I think, I sold my FEG already, so yeah, I shouldn't say anything. Alright, but this is how you can add it up here. Can you see that? Now, if you want to trade on PancakeSwap, for example, I'm opening up PancakeSwap right now. So here is PancakeSwap. Okay, this is a former transaction I made. So if you want to maybe trade BUSD with FEG, you can take this to BUSD. I have a tutorial on this, so I'm just trying to show you how to use the contract address to search for a coin. And now I've pasted. See, I have the contract address here. So you can either remove or add it. When you add, you don't have to type this next time. See, when I remove and I try typing FEG, I can't find it because it's not been added yet to my list. So when I use the contract address to paste, I can now tap on add, and then now I can search with FEG. Alright, so there's it. So I have very minimal value of FEG, which is giving me 0.0000 that US dollars. Alright, now that's just by the side. So that's how to use the contract address. So whenever you're looking for the contract address of a coin, maybe you got the name and then you want to be sure of, you want to get the contract address so you can trade with it, or you can, do something, you can always come to BSC Scan, search for the name, and you can get it. So Decimals 9 official site, this is it. And then these are their social media handles, mail, Twitter, Telegram, CoinMarketCap, and there, that's CoinGecko. That's CoinGecko logo, as you can see here, CoinGecko. Okay. Now down here we have transfers. We have the transfers for this coin. Now see, just 11 seconds ago we had this transfer. 14 seconds, it's 14, 17, 17, and then so people are buying. Let's see, are they buying or selling? Okay, so yeah. So yes, so these are all the transactions being carried out right now on on what's it called, on FEG. Yes, so to know if each person is buying or selling, you have to click on it, but I'll be there in a moment. But you can see it is really active. That means this coin is really booming. People are buying this coin. Maybe there's some news about it. See, 1 minute, 2 minutes, people are always buying. And then 11 seconds ago, let me refresh this page and see if anybody buys anything. This 11 seconds ago again, like this 11 seconds is a new 11 seconds. See, there's a 14 seconds now and 17 seconds, right? So let me refresh again and see, because that 11 seconds now should be passed. See, this 10 seconds ago, 10 seconds, 13 seconds. People are buying this coin like crazy. Transactions are being made on this coin very, very much. So that's how you know a coin that is, people are, there's traffic on it, people are buying, and then you can decide to ape in also and make a little profit and jump out depending on the type of coin that is. So if it's a shit coin, you might want to ape in and jump out once you make some profit. But if it's a a legit coin with good use, with good use, yeah, you can hold it for a long time. Now, how do you know the amount of holders holding this coin? Yeah, the amount of holders, it should be written up here. Yeah, 4,004. Yeah, I think this has changed. This was not the value before, I think so. Yeah, So these are all the holders holding it. Now take note of this. The first, whenever I see any address like this, these are all addresses. Whenever I see any address like this 0x0000 starting with this, you should know that it is a burnt address. Most times it always ends with dead when you see something like this, but then it doesn't matter. Once it starts with 0x00 and as 0 is like this, then it's a burnt address. That means that coin, some values of it has been burnt, have been destroyed. You understand? So when coins are destroyed, it reduces the total supply and makes the coin more the coin could people introduce the total supply, so the coin will increase in value to some extent. Okay, that means there was times 2 of this total supply before. Instead of 100 here, that means it was 200 and or feg. How did I know that? Because 55% of the coin was burnt. That means half of it was burnt, was destroyed. That means it was times 2 of what the current total supply is right now. And then this is the value of what was burnt. Okay? The quantity that was burnt. And then this is the address. So this is a burnt address, a burn address, dead, or 0x000. That's a burn address. Now the next one here, and mind you, this may not always be the first. It could be underneath, it could be somewhere 1 to 5, it could be anywhere, but it's most times always around the top. Now the next one is the I think the contract address. Yeah, this is the contract address. As you can see that paper there, that's the contract. Now it is also locked, like the holding doesn't matter, just like this first one too doesn't matter. So you're good. Whenever you see stuff like this, you are good to go. You're safe. So you shouldn't be scared that somebody is holding 7% of the coin, which is pretty high, or 55%, which is pretty high. So you're safe with that. Now look here again, there's another one. Most times they're always around the top. I think this is the first time I've seen one at around 12, number 12 here. So this is also a contract address, and it's just 0.3% holding. So all these three are just like bonds. They're not they don't matter to the coin right now. They don't matter to, so nobody can trade these three addresses. Now what you should take note of are these normal ones. These are people holding from 3 to 11 and then from 13 downwards. They are normal people holding these coins. Okay, so you should be careful. How many percent are these guys holding? Because if they're holding very large percent, if you see anybody holding any large percent of a coin, if they sell their coins, it's going to crazily affect the market. Now this person, the first person here, because as I said, these two are not people, so they are bonds. This is the contract address. Then this one is the first person here, perhaps the developer. He has 1.8%, which is almost 2%. It's still fair. So from 1 to 6%. 6% is pretty high, but then it's still manageable. From 1 to 6% of a coin, or 7%, is still safe. But once it's higher than that, in fact, I don't go up to 6. Once I see 5, okay, I can manage it. But once it's higher than 5%, I don't try entering in. Because when they sell, that means they're holding 5% of that coin. Now, when they sell, it's going to greatly affect the market big time. So I'm very careful, and you should be also. So my phone is giving me some space issues. I put these records. Let me show you quickly that other coin we wanted to pick. When we searched for FEG, let me search for FEG again and show you how to recognize a scam coin. Now this is the second FEG with the the other website, anyswap.exchange. Now let's see. See, only one address holding this, and I'm sure this address will be holding how many percent? A lot. Let me see. Holders. Only one address. And it's holding 100% of the coin. That's a scam coin. If you buy it, it is gonna work pool. So guys, be very careful of this type of coins. Alright, so that's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please feel free to ask questions, and I'll be sure to answer. Thank you.